What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your girl Sasha coming to you live from San Antonio. I finally made it home, y'all. 4 hours on the road. If you're catching this live, say what's up, drop a 1. If you're catching the replay, drop the word replay and I will circle back around and connect with you later. So my topic says, first of all, I want to give a shout out to my team member, Amy. We connected this weekend and she inspired me in a lot of ways. So thanks, love. But like my title says, this business and industry is for anyone and everyone. And y'all, this weekend, hanging out with the team, it's been much needed because of course Corona slowed everything down. So we haven't been able to do a lot of in-person events, things like that because of that. So definitely this weekend was much needed. Like my title said, this business is for anybody. And what I wanted to come share with you guys, if you don't know my story, I'm in network marketing. I've been in the industry 6 years, 4 different companies, made some money, 5 figures, tried it all, done it all, and I'm obsessed with the industry because not only has this industry provided tons of opportunities for me, but it saved my family. I started this industry, like I said, if you don't know, I started this industry 6 years ago, needing $215 to pay for KJ's daycare. Yeah, 6 years ago, he's 11, so he was 5. Also, I was going in the middle of a divorce, and I knew I was gonna be losing a second income, and y'all know, my peeps who know me, I come from a background of struggle, hustle, and the streets. So when the industry presented itself to me, hey Stacy, thanks for jumping on. So when the industry presented itself to me, I knew nothing else. Take a product, use it, flip it, and keep on doing it because that was my mentality. That was part of my background. Grew up from the streets, in the streets, hustling, and y'all who don't know, those are all the details from before. So this weekend, we were out in Dallas, got to go to the Empire State Building, our team house. Thanks, Elaine, my mentor, for opening the invite. And I figured, we were doing this challenge. Y'all, I talked about the challenge a couple weeks ago. The Yeah Sure challenge, taking 8 days to go do something that you haven't done. Anyways, part of that challenge was, yeah, sure, just go do something you haven't done. So I'm 4 hours up the road. I had no excuses not to go. So like I was saying with my title and Amy, y'all, this is going to go several different ways. So follow me. Amy, we were hanging out, taking a break, and we were just chit-chatting. And as we sat there and got to know each other and catch up and talk, we realized we were actually the same. Again, network marketing, direct sales, whatever you're familiar with, it's all the same. A product, service, use it, sell it, and create a team, create an organization, everybody makes money, and that's kind of like the short version. But Forbes, I want to say I read a while ago. Anyways, the most millionaires are created in network marketing. And again, y'all, I'm on my way to be a millionaire, but again, I didn't join the industry to make $1 million. But what I can say is I have made 5 figures in 6 years. 1099 on my tax statements, and I'm still here. Y'all follow me. I am going to get to this point. But Amy, we were talking, and she was picking my brain, and I was asking her questions. She was asking me questions. And one thing I noticed about this industry and my peoples, y'all black folks, I'm just going to call it how it is because, like I said, I've been in this industry 6 years, spoken to a lot of different people, and sometimes I feel like y'all have no clue. But the point is, what I'm trying to say is, when I was there talking to Amy, and y'all, Amy's a white girl. There's a lot of white folks in the community, and again, I get asked all the time, all I see is a bunch of white people, and this and this and white. Okay, the industry has no race, but I get it. Because if you don't know, you don't know. And what you don't know, of course, you're going to be dumbfounded about it. So I come in and educate y'all, my peoples. So I've heard it. I've been asked all the questions along the way. At the end of the day, it's a business. Again, I've said this plenty of times before. Network marketing gives you the same business opportunities and business benefits as if you have a brick and mortar, or if you're an eyelash girl, or if you're at the barbershop, or if Walmart, Amazon, we all get the same benefits. So anyways, let me get back on track. Hey, thank y'all for jumping on. Mark, Cassandra, thank y'all, because y'all, I'm on a rant right now. So I get the question, and I get it all the time. Like, I don't see too many black people, and you're always hanging out with a bunch of white people and this. And again, like I said, the industry has no race. And once you educate yourself and connect with like-minded people, you will see the bigger picture. Fast forward to me and Amy outside talking. Me and Amy actually have a lot of things in common. So we were talking. Long story short, Amy likes rap music. Amy also used to be plus size. Me and Amy actually liked two of the same country songs. So from on the outside looking in, yeah, we see each other on team meetings and Zooms, but getting to know her, we actually had a lot of things in common. So Amy, definitely shout out to you. You inspired me kind of like to throw this out there and just to speak on it, because again, this industry has no race. When we talk about the black community, what I have, which is, it's sad, but it's real. It's sad, but it's also part of my background. It's sad because it's part of a generation that I came from. And what I found is when I do talk to y'all, my people, about the industry, once I do the analogy about hustling, selling drugs, it clicks. It clicks. And like I said, it's sad, but it's true. And to teach or educate the ones who I do talk to and connect with, and the ones who do come at me with questions, it's real. Because at the end of the day, that's my background. That's where my hustle comes from. That's where my grind comes from. I eat, sleep, and breathe. All I know is go, 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 money, 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 on the grind, on the grind. And that's what I've been able to be successful, is because my background hustling, again, I'm still hustling now. It's still powder, but it's legal. I cannot go to jail for it. So that's just my analogy for y'all, my peoples. But the bigger picture is, it is a business. It is a whole organization. It's a structure. There is money to be made. You find the right people, you link up, and y'all make things happen. So, like I said, a lot of millionaires are created in the network marketing industry, whether if it's a product, a service, and you build a team, put together an organization, and y'all collaborate and establish a business and work together and make money, of course, is the ultimate goal. But this weekend, seeing everything, especially from my mentor in real life, person to person, I mean, yeah, we all hang out, but to see her on fire this weekend kind of made me second guess what the hell I was doing. First of all, because you always want to put yourself in a position, first of all, to learn from others. And then when you see your millionaire dollar mentor in action, it just clicked to me over the weekend when I was there. Really? Really? They say we make it look easy, and they say that this industry is easy, and some people say it's hard. There's nothing hard about this industry. And when I did the analogy of comparing it to my background, prime example. My accountability partner, Victoria, what's up, girl? We need to catch up. Anyways, Victoria, we collaborate once a week. We bounce ideas. We kind of meet, chit chat, and pick each other's brains. But Victoria noticed something in my stories that nonchalantly I do, but I didn't think nothing of it. So me and Victoria was collaborating, connecting, touching base. And she asked me, she said, Sasha, why do you open your ketones with your teeth? Y'all, I really didn't know I did that. But because of my background and my hustle street mentality, y'all follow me, stay with me here. Y'all know, my peoples who've been there, done that, Back in the day, that's what you did. You opened the baggies with your mouth and then you're sitting there because your mouth goes numb. Nonchalantly, even though that's part of my past, at least a good 20-something years ago, I still do that today. Because that's how I was programmed in my young adulthood. That's how my, process, I guess, nonchalantly doing things that I didn't know I was really doing it. But the analogy to answer her question was, I didn't know I did it. And thinking back and just actually having awareness to it, that's what I've always did. I come from hustling, y'all, so again, like I said back then, we used to just open the baggies with our teeth and hope to God our mouth didn't go numb in between a transaction. I'm just keeping it real with y'all because, again, like I said, y'all that know me, that's my background. And y'all that have known me over these last 6 years, ones who are getting to know me, and the questions and comments and motivations and the DMs and everything I get is because that's where I came from. And realistically thinking, I just took that same street hustle, that same street mentality, and I apply it to my business every day. Because long story short, really, it's the same thing. Again, like I said, I was taking penitentiary chances back then in the day and kind of had a lot of close calls. And I just flipped all those transferable skills into my business, and boom, 6 years later, I've been blessed. Again, like I say, I started this industry 6 years ago to pay $200 for daycare because I was in the middle of a divorce. And y'all know, I've experienced a lot of different things that we can talk about, and I'm sure a lot of y'all can relate. But I just wanted to definitely jump on and just come say hello, first of all. Second, give appreciation to Amy this weekend because we got to connect, and like us just talking, yeah, like I said, she's a white girl, and we have a lot more things in common. And again, just to touch on the industry, this industry is for everybody. And I just wanted to come and just share what kind of opened my eyes this weekend. Not only from a cultural standpoint or differences, but business. Because again, whatever you are familiar with this industry, network marketing, pyramid scheme, none of that is true. Again, it's an industry, a business industry that afforded me, like I said, along my 6 years, the opportunity at that time when I needed this business because I knew I was about to lose an income. Y'all, this business and every product that I've sold, every trial, every friend that I've made, every business partner or associate, it definitely blessed me and helped me along the way because it paid bills. It paid light bill. First of all, like I said, it paid a $200 daycare bill. It bought school lunches. It put gas in my car. My first paycheck was $17. But you know what? At that time, I was blessed to have that $17 because I knew I was going to need money. And again, my old school mentality kicked in was, shoot, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? I can go pawn something. I can go borrow money from somebody and rob Peter to pay Paul. But no, I went into my old resources and I was like, hey, I need to find a hustle. And I did not know what the hustle was going to be, what the hustle was going to look like, but I knew I needed one. And again, like I say, fast forward 6 years later, started from the bottom. Now I'm here. But this was on my heart, and I just wanted to give a shout out to Amy, my team member, Dallas, this weekend, helping the team pack swag, hanging out with the crew because it's been over a year because COVID. Like I said, I just want to say, Amy, thanks. My mentor, seeing her in action this weekend, kind of made me realize I've been BSing with a lot of different things. And I made a point to myself this weekend, no more. And just wanted to come share and educate y'all, the ones who don't know, that this industry is a whole business opportunity that could bless you like it's blessed me and at least like 8,000 of other team members that I get to work with. So this industry and this business is for everybody. There is no race. Like I said, just straight shooter, my peoples, us black folks, y'all. The analogy, if you needed one, my background's from the streets. And I know several of y'all personally and ones who have connected with me just overall through this journey. Thinking back, we used to sit on the block and take penitentiary chances. And at a time where I needed something, this fell in my lap. And again, I'm so blessed and grateful for it. And the ones like y'all, I'm here. Like, ask me anything, jump in my DMs and really ask me, because I've spoken to a lot of y'all. And it's kind of, like I said, it's sad to say, but that's the analogy that I could give to kind of have the bells go off with my peoples. If you think bigger, connect with like-minded people, plug in to resources, or learn from somebody who's been there, done it. Y'all, this industry is amazing. And nothing else before I start rambling on and on. Amy, thank you, love. And y'all, holla at your girl. Because if you're looking for something, or if you're just unsure really how this industry works, I'm here for y'all. Jump in my DMs, ask me anything you want to know. I started, like I said, 6 years ago, not knowing anything, but at that same time, I was working on my business degree and putting those pieces from my experience and my lifestyle from back in the day, street hustling, matched it up with college, going to finish my business degree, and then fast forward what I know now. Anybody can do this. And I just wanted to jump on and just come spit some fire for y'all, because it was on my heart. So thank all of y'all for jumping on. And I have so much more I want to talk about, but y'all stay plugged in. Again, if you were here on my live, thank you, love you, appreciate you. If you caught the replay, drop a 2. I'll reconnect, holla at your girl. Other than that, happy Sunday. May y'all be blessed, and I will talk with y'all later. Peace out. Bye.